Welcome to Hit Wicket.
From a ride down nostalgia lane as Sachin Tendulkar bid adieu to cricket, to a robust partnership between Virat Kohli and Cheteshwar Pujara that saw the West Indies side reduced to rubble, and then to cap it all, a second 100 on the trot for a batsman who had even as early as 6 months ago been wearing the perennial underachiever tag. It is all happening at the Wankhede. Rohit's second ton in as many tests came at a juncture that was vaguely similar to that in which he carved his first 100. The only difference in this test being Sachin, Pujara, who scored his fifth test ton in 14 tests, and Kohli having already led India to relative safety. The onus on the lower order was to consolidate its position in the match, and Rohit Sharma, with a knock that was adorned with all his trademark strokes, including the cover drive, was at the forefront of the battle yet again. The Indian captain's stay at the crease lasted all of 10 deliveries before he trudged his way back to the pavilion after having added a paltry 4 to the Indian total. Expectations were riding high on Ashwin after his feats with the willow in the first test at the Eden Gardens, and for a brief period it looked like he might just live up to the promise, but after a breezy 32 ball 30, the off-spinner left Rohit to fend for himself. Talent, Rohit has always had oodles of, but it was a lack of a will to succeed that had deprived Rohit of a place in the test contingent all these years. All of a sudden, Rohit seems to have found an inexhaustible well of willpower, and by the looks of it, he's drawing copious amounts of it. The fairy tale began with his propulsion to the top of the batting lineup early this year in ODIs, and since then, Rohit seems to be on a journey of redemption and self-discovery. Having realized that the better part of his youth had been wasted on the benches, Rohit is keen to make up for all the lost time. If the 100 at Kolkata was a testament to his ability to handle pressure, then his whirlwind innings at the Wankhede was nothing less than a showcase of his seemingly boundless talent. In an onslaught that left the West Indies gasping, Rohit scored an undefeated 111 of 127 deliveries, in the course of which he sent 11 shots racing to the fence and 3 of them beyond the ropes. A brilliant 50 by Kohli and tons by Rohit and Pujara on a day that saw Tendulkar play what was possibly his last test innings. Irony? Not really. It is a hallmark of the passage of time. Going by what we've witnessed today, the Indian cricket fans can breathe easy, for although the baton has passed from Tendulkar, it seems to be in safe hands.
Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button.